Management accounting is one of the subjects with the lowest pass rate in the ICAG Ghana Professional Qualification Examination. Why is that so? It's because management accounting is a subject that is technical and structured in such a manner that it requires some diligence, focus, and a certain way of teaching and studying to ensure that the subject is understood, questions, terminologies are well known so that you can go in there and pass the examination. And our online course on management accounting does exactly that. When you enroll in our management accounting course, you are guided through the entire syllabus, paying attention to the key areas that you have to focus on to increase your chances of passing the examination. Not only that, you are guided on how you can read the questions, how you can interpret the questions, and most importantly, how you can extract the key terminologies and interpretation given in the question so you can provide the answer that is required in order for you to increase your chances of passing the examination. In addition to these, you will be able to also get access to our live question portal, which opens you up to live practice questions that are similar to what you're going to be seeing in the exam hall under time, so you can train yourself mentally, be able to recollect things, calculate things within record time, read and interpret questions in the shortest possible time so you can increase your chances of passing the examination. So click the link below this video, enroll in the full course, study directly under my mentorship. Let me hold your hand, provide you with a blueprint so you can go in there and pass your management accounting examination. What are you waiting for? I'll see you in our live lectures on management accounting as I assist you to pass the examination.